Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, about to change the oil in the old truck. I need to let the engine cool off because I didn't think about changing the oil after I drove it to the store. So, get this hair top. Alright, so let the engine cool down. Gonna take the charger, go grab some oil, come back, change the oil. Because my light just came on to change the engine oil, so gonna change it. Then, not sure what day has planned, but just want to say, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We are on the way to, wow, look at that. We're on the way to supercharging my car, so actually ordering some more stuff this week for it. So hopefully it'll be done pretty quick. Trying to get back on the ball on it. I want to finish it up before, let's say July. I want to try to finish it up for my birthday. My birthday's in September, so I want it to be done by my birthday and enjoy it. So I'm about to crack back down on it, order all the parts, send my heads off, get them cleaned. So yeah, stay tuned and let's go grab this engine oil. I should have known Walmart has slam packed. This is where I usually come to get my oil because it seems like Walmart's oil is pretty cheap. So, and I need to get some brakes. I know you guys can hear that. Looks like I may just go to O'Reilly's. Spend the extra $1 or $2, I think it is. Yeah, it's pretty crowded. But you got that green Ram. That's bright. Yeah, we're going to go to O'Reilly's. Just fell out, so let's grab a 15, put it on the socket, crawl up under here. I'm gonna have to do it in the grass because I let somebody borrow my floor jack, so hopefully I can fit up under there, or just enough to where I can get my hand up under there and loosen everything up. So let's try it. All right, guys, so I finally managed to change the oil in the truck and spilled a little bit, so I'm gonna clean that up, or it'll smell like a chimney, like I've blown something up. So, and then we're good to go. I cleaned this motor up yesterday, cleaned the whole engine bay. It looks good, but now I've got spilt oil. So, gonna clean that off, start the truck, reset the light. Still can't remember how to do that, so I'm gonna have to look it up again. And yeah, so let's get to it. All right, let's grab the keys. All right. So, okay, there it goes. All right, turn it to the on position. Oil life reset. Cut it off. And let's cycle through it. Engine oil life 100%. So what you have to do, turn it to the on position, don't start it, press the gas pedal all the way down 3 times within 5 seconds. The engine oil life reset light will pop up. Turn it off, crank your truck up, good to go. Engine oil life 100%. So pretty simple. Apparently I didn't rinse it off good enough. Getting a good old little smoke. A little burning oil smell, but yeah, I poured it on the manifolds pretty bad. I thought I cleaned it up good enough. Apparently not. Alright guys, so I want to finish off this video with saying, you know, I really appreciate your guys' support. I mean, you guys absolutely Y'all kill it. Man, I just can't thank you guys enough. So this week I am gonna go ahead and order. I'm gonna go ahead and try to order all my gaskets, ARP head bolts. I forgot what else I had. Harmonic balancer. I'm gonna go ahead and try to order all that this week. Then that really leaves me with ordering my camshaft, my new camshaft, and I believe a tune. That would really be it. I have to check. Oh, and I got to get a little pin kit for my harmonic balancer. There's a couple other little small odd ends, but majority of the stuff will be ordered this week. So I got to try to hurry up and just get that car done. I'm tired of just everything sitting, and I want to put out some cool videos for the YouTube of the car being supercharged. Sorry for all the noise. Toolkit's wide open. Yeah, opened it upside down like a... No, I actually opened it up right, but everything fell out when it's supposed to be sitting in. So, anyways, guys, I just really... If you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, help me out a little bit more. Stuff will get done a little bit faster. I did reapply for the YouTube partnership, so all my stuff is monetized, and I'm sorry that you got to look through an ad. You probably saw an ad when you clicked on this video, but it really helps out the channel. You know, it gives me a little extra money to, you know, try to put head bolts on the car. You know, it pays for a little odd and end stuff that, you know, stuff that gets really expensive. So yeah, guys, I really appreciate your guys' support. And like I said, just hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, you know, show your friends, tell your friends to subscribe, because it's about to get pretty crazy. And hopefully I can try to buy some welds for the car, or some type of skinnies is what I plan on doing here in the next couple weeks, because once this thing gets done, there's going to be some calling out, some racing going on. There's a couple people around this area that have cam Camaros, G8s and stuff like that, Vet, and definitely I'll see what the Charger can do. So hopefully it makes close to 600 horsepower, hoping really 550 to the wheels, and it's gonna be nasty. So yeah, guys, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and peace.